Hello, welcome back to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Cincom Smalltalk product manager. Hidden Gems is where we show you capabilities of the product that you may not know about, but we think you will benefit from. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please send them to me, Arden Thomas, at athomas@cincom.com. So today's Hidden Gems screencast is also a Quant Gems screencast because we're using for demonstration an application that we built in our Quant Gems series. So let's take a look at that application. This is an application that this list is the Dow Jones Industrial Average 30 stocks. We can select one and see a chart. Each line here, it has the high, the low, the open to the left, and the close to the right. For each one, we can choose different companies, go through the list. We can also, by using the mouse, I'm rolling the mouse wheel right now, we can scroll out, we can scroll in. Notice as we scroll in, it changes to a candlestick presentation. A candlestick has basically the same information, but the white body here means the open is down here and the close is up here, so it is an up day. And if it's a black candlestick, it means the open was up here and the close down here, so it is a down day. And this is a modular application. We have this list, this graph presentation, this date axis down here are individual applications that we show you how to build in our Quant series. We also show you how to get this data, how to import this data with RESTful URLs to pull it in and parse it and create the series in Smalltalk, and how to build these apps to present this. So it's kind of a cohesive series. If you're interested, that is our Quant Gems screencast presentation. So today we're going to talk about something called image compression. And image compression, it uses a built-in Zlib to compress your image, which makes it much smaller, which you may want to do for moving or transporting or sharing with your team. Depends. It's fairly simple to do. There's not a whole lot of documentation about this, but there's not much needed at all. So what we'll show you is how to prepare your image to do this. What you'll first want to do is load a parcel called, obviously enough, image compression. It's in italics here because it means I already have it loaded, but if it wasn't, you would just simply select it and press OK. Next, I would recommend, probably not absolutely needed, but highly recommended, is collect all the garbage and then also perm save. And you can perm save it. I'm going to use the same name, stock demo X, right here. We'll replace that. That just moves all the objects to a permanent space, so it no longer looks at those to garbage collect, which is a good idea. It'll work without it, but probably a good habit to use. That's preparation. Next, let's compress the image. File, compress image file. You need to give it another name, so we will call it, let's see, stock demo X zip. Oops, actually we'll put that in the wrong. We'll call it stock. We will compress stock demo X to stock demo X zip and say OK. And you can see it's writing and it's done. So it's pretty quick. It gives you some information right here. So it compressed it to 35% of the original size. Let's check that out here. We can see right here it is only 13 meg where the original was 37. So let's see if I If I exit this and I start up the new one, it just says, hey, because this is a development image, it needs to create a new changes file if I do any work on it. So I can say, okay, go ahead and do that. And then I can come back and, of course, I'm running as I was before. So that's it, quick and easy. Let's recap. This compresses the image to another file. It decompresses it very quickly on startup. It's fast and simple. This is a true hidden gem. It's not obvious or touted, but it's really easy to do once you know how. And again, any questions, comments, suggestions that you have, please send them to Arden Thomas, athomas@cincom.com. Until next time, have a great time with Cincom Smalltalk. Thank you.